Can you see if there's, you can find an RP for Suite 155? Adam 14, go ahead.
Northbound at the 1. Arkansas 834. 0 Mary Sam. 834 CMS. It's Black Chevrolet Malibu.
10-4, Adam 14. Where I'm working.
Alright, speeds are up to about 75. Go ahead and show me 1037.
10-4, 1030.
Speed's 80, no traffic.
Getting on Roosevelt Road.
TVI, just past Roosevelt.
TVI, just past Roosevelt.
Hey, stop right there! Stop! Roll the window down. Driver, roll the window down. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Open the door and step out. They're compliant right now. Get out of the car. Hey, put your hands up right now. Get out of the car with your hands up. Is the car in park? Passenger, put your hands up. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Get down on your knees right there. Get down on your knees. Okay. Hey, stop moving around. Is it just y'all two in the car?
No, three.
Okay. Stand up. Okay, well, you're going to have to hang on just a second. Obviously, I'm kind of preoccupied here.
Hey, bro, can I use the bathroom?
No, you cannot use the bathroom. Sit down. Here, actually. No, I need to check the car.
Bro, can I use the bathroom?
Shut up, no.
Come on, bro.
You're not at 17. Where are you at? Sit down in the car.
Okay, look at my pants. Look at my pants, bro.
I'm sitting in the number 1 lane. I don't want to get hit. Just block the 1 lane when you get here. If your pants were at your freaking ankles, this wouldn't be a problem.
Okay, bro. You don't need to.
God damn. Move your foot. Hey, rear passenger, step out of the car with your hands up. Hey, rear passenger, step out of the car. Just keep your hands up, man, all right? Face away from me, walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Get down on your knees right there, buddy. You have any weapons on you or anything? You're just being detained right now, okay? You're not under arrest at this point. Stay right there. I got one in my car. There's actually three. Hey, front passenger, step out of the car with your hands up. Stay right here, all right? I'm gonna get you up in a second. Face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
Take him, I'll take him.
I don't have cuffs. We're just gonna put him right here. Keep coming, keep coming.
I got him. Get down on your knees. Hands on top of your head.
Put your hands on your head. Stay right here for just a second, all right?
There's no guns in the car, sir.
Okay.
This is some racist ass shit.
Adam,
right
14 liter rock. I'm 1015 times 3.
Racist.
here. Yeah.
What, your buddy being drunk, not wanting to stop for me? That's racist?
The way you're talking to us right now is racist.
Okay, dude. Whatever you say. Hunter, if you'll go ahead and stand for it, man. Got it?
I'm good.
I'll back towards my car over here.
Hey, if you'll,
I can't put anyone on that side. I gotta.
just sit right here on his front bumper, okay? I'm gonna get my car to the road and then we'll move. We'll figure out what we're gonna do.
Crazy.
14 liter rock. 1015 times 3. You can 1064 the net.
The road 2 8